जय श्रीमन्नारायण. 61st श्लोका of 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ishvaraha sarvabhutanam hruddese Arjuna तिष्ठति भ्रामयन् सर्वभूतानि यन्त्रारूढानि मायया. ॐ Constantly and continuously keep on enjoying the presence of the Supreme Ruler Srimannarayana in your own heart and in the heart of all beings. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall continuously and constantly enjoy your presence in my heart and in all the hearts of all beings. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण, चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा, सरस्वती देवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Kashyapa Prajapati teaching Payovratam to Aditi, saying like this, O Aditi, you have to chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Dvadasakshari mantram for 108 times, and then do Pradakshina, do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Srimannarayana. After you offer payasam to Paramatma, you have to distribute to the devotees. Krutva sirasi tat sesham devam udvasayet. All the flowers that you offered to Paramatma, you have to again take them out and then you have to wear them. Every day at least you have to give meals to 2 Brahmanas. That meal should be with payasam. After those Brahmanas eat, whatever is left over, you have to eat that. You have to observe brahmacharyam. In this time of vratam, you have to give abhishekam with milk to Vasudeva Murti. And you have to be doing homam from Phalguna Suddha Padyami until Dwadasi. For all these 12 days, with so much of devotion, you have to do aradhana to Srimannarayana. You have to be doing homam. You have to be giving bhojanam to Brahmanas. And you have to observe several rules and regulations. In this time of vratam, every day you have to take 3 times bath. You should not let your mind go on to bad things. You should not be talking about bad things. Ahimsraha sarvabhutanam. You have to have compassion towards all living beings. Vasudeva parayanaha. Always you have to be thinking about Vasudeva. You have to be taking the name of Vasudeva every time. Like this, 12 days you have to observe vratam, and on 13th day you have to give snapanam, abhishekam to Vasudeva Murti. Like that, Kasyapa Prajapati teaching Payovratam to Aditi. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, 61st sloka. Ishvara sarva bhutanam hriddesherjuna tishtati bhramayan sarva bhutani yantrarudhani mayaya. Ishvara sarva bhutanam hriddesherjuna tishtati Brahmayan sarva bhutani yantrarudhani mayaya. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.